Good day, sirs. So, how to explain how to calculate the following. So, first, if the variation and deviation are given, how to determine the compass error. Second, if the compass error and variation are given, how to determine deviation. Third is if the true bearing and compass bearing are given, how to determine compass error. And fourth is the compass course deviation and variation are given, how to determine the true course. The fifth is if the true course, variation and deviation are given, how to determine the compass course. And last is to explain how to update variation in the compass rows. So this is our given example. Compass is 291 degrees, deviation is 3 west, magnetic is 288 degrees, variation is 5s, true course is 293 degrees, and the compass error is 2s. So first question is if the variation and deviation are given, how to determine compass error. So this is the formula for the first question, and we just add the variation and deviation, but they are not different signs, so we have to subtract it. So our compass error is 2s. So the formula is compass error equals variation plus deviation, and variation is 5s and deviation is 3 west, and the compass error is 2s. So second question is if the compass error and the deviation variation are given, how to determine deviation. So to get the deviation, this is the formula. The formula is deviation equals compass error minus variation. The compass error is 2s and the variation is 5s is. So we just need to subtract it to get the deviation. So the deviation is 3 west. So third is if the true bearing and compass bearing are given, how to determine compass error. We just need to subtract the true bearing and the compass bearing. So we just remember that compass base error west, compass is less, error is. So the formula is compass error equals compass minus true. So true is 293 degrees and the compass is 291 degrees. So we just need to subtract it. So the compass error is 2 is. And remember, compass is best, error west, compass is less, error is. So the fourth is if the compass course, deviation and variation are given, how to determine the true course. So this is the formula. We just need to use the CDMVT or Cantona vote twice. So the compass is 291 degrees and the deviation is 3 west. So we just need to subtract it to get the magnetic. So the magnetic is 288 degrees, and after that the variation is 5s. We just need to add the magnetic and the variation to get the true course. So the true course is 293 degrees. And fifth is if the true course, variation and deviation are given, how to determine the compass course. So this is the formula. We just use the TVMDC, the reverse of CDMVT, the Cantona vote twice. So the formula is, or using the TVMDC, So the true course is 293 degrees, variation is 5s. We just need to subtract it so that we can get the magnetic. So the magnetic is 288 degrees and the deviation is 3 west. So we need to add the magnetic and the deviation to get the compass. So the magnetic is 288 degrees and the deviation is 3 west. So the compass is 291 degrees. And last is explain how to update the variation in a compass rose. So to update the variation of compass rose, you just have to get the difference between the data of variation to the updated date of the present, and then multiply it to annual change. After we get the product of the number of years to the annual change, we will add it to the variation to make an update. So this is the formula. 7 degrees 25 minutes west 2005 or 2005 and 8 minutes east. 2002 or 2022 minus 2005 is equals to 17 years. So 8 degrees 8 minutes is times 17 the year, and the answer is 136 minutes is, or 2 degrees 16 minutes is. And after that we just need to subtract it to the 7 degrees 25 minutes west and 2 degrees 16 minutes is. They are different signs, so we need to subtract it. So the answer is 5 degrees 9 minutes west by year 2022 or 2022. That's all. Thank you.